So here we are at nasa.gov. You can see right here. We're at the visibleearth.nasa.gov website. And these are images that are taken from the LRO. Right here you can see LRO sees high resolution images. These are basically Earthrise images. And we can download these images right here. So this one right here, this is a pretty high res image you can see right there. It's a JPEG, 12 megabytes. So we can download this image, do a save as. Let's call it LRO1 and put it on the desktop. And let's go back and let's open up this one here. This is another JPEG. This is taken from two different cameras or three different cameras, or two cameras left and right, and then put together into one image. Let's save this image as LRO2. And then let's open up Photoshop. Now there's an image of guitar I made here at home. Let's go ahead and open up those two files. LRO1 and LRO2. And let's do a little bit of adjusting all these and see what happens. Before we do that, let's look at this image here. This is a image I took with my Canon camera of a guitar I built. This is number 13 of Britain Guitars. This is a sunburst image. Let's go into the image and let's adjust the levels on this. And let's just take it all the way to the left and see what happens. You can see this is a real photograph. There's no BS about this photograph. It's real. There's nothing fake about it. So let's minimize that photograph. Let's do the same thing with this one. Let's go into adjustments, levels. Let's see what happens when we pull this level to the left. See what NASA's been doing to their photographs. Oh, they got a little box around the Earth there. That would indicate that that's a fake image. That's a paste job. You see the problem with this image? The entire image should be going, ghost white, just like my original image did of my guitar. But it's not doing that. If you go the other way, it's completely wrong also. That is a Photoshop paste-up job. They pasted that image on there. Basically, both images are pasted onto a black background, like a black poster board or something. I have no idea how they did it, but it's fake as hell. So let's go into this image here. Let's do the same thing to it. Adjust the levels. And there comes that little box. That box is used to make the image perfectly round and to paste it into the, I don't know what this is, a photograph or what it is, but they're doing a paste up job here. That's a very odd image of the Earth there. The way it's let's do this again. So if I bring this image over, it's very strange. But it's fake. NASA is faking images, and this is pretty recent. This is, let's go back here. This is 2015, when these images were made in 2015. They talk about the original blue marble images in 1968. Let's go back to Photoshop. Let's go back to this image here. And let's play with it for a second here. This real photograph. Yes, sirree. This is these are fake. Now, why would they need to fake an image like this? Evidently, the satellite with the camera and all that, it's not real. It's not out there in space. It's not taking photographs of anything. It's not there. This is entirely fake. Well, there you go, my friends. NASA is faking images.